Hey everybody, I am in a 2006 or 7 IS250 Lexus, and the mirror is pretty bad. Yep, that is how bad this mirror is. So we're going to swap it out and hopefully drastically improve the vision of this driver's perspective. You can source these out for $100 or so to have them re-mirrored, or you can pick one up from the junkyard like I did here. Yep, that's my nifty Batman shirt. And I paid $15 for this. I'm going to show you how to swap this out. It won't look like this because I just broke this off the windshield. It's really easy though. And hopefully you can find one yourself and fix your car so it looks better. These are far easier to source than, say, the center console vents or the navigation unit in the center, which is near impossible to get anywhere. So I'll actually, I have another video doing the Phoenix install here, and straightforward. So if anyone wants to go that route, I suggest doing it. The only thing is the buttons. I don't like the climate control buttons being digital, but I go off subject. So we are going to swap this out. It's quite simple. We're going to just aim up here. Another thing too that this mirror has is also wiggly. Take this plastic piece here, slide it down. Once you pull the cover off, you'll have access to the plugs. You can use a flat head of your finger and push this button on the top and pop this out. So now this thing is free to be pulled off, and it is going to come upwards. Once the plug is undone, you're going to fold this up. You're going to come under here, and you're going to see the hole where the T20 is going to go in. It's a Torx bit or a security bit, either one will work. You're just going to unscrew this. This is a T20 Torx bit. Once it's unplugged, once the cover's off, once the screw's out, you just lift it out. The inside looks like this. The back looks like this. So there's a better shot of what the old one looks like versus the clear one. So if anyone cares to see the reinstall really fast, so I'm just going to take this back portion here and slide it on that clip there. So put it back on there. Use two hands because the clip felt as if it were on, but it was slightly off one of the edges, and it will pop in with this tiny little click. That tiny click is what you'll hear when it settles in. And you don't need to push too hard because you can break the seal right off the windshield, but it will be solid. You can't shake it or anything. And once that's to that point and pushed all the way down, then you put the screw back in. That's it. Just put the screw in, tighten it, make sure it's not too tight, but tight enough. And you're going to plug this in and kind of tuck it away. Once that's plugged in, you're going to put the loop around the wire that's connected to the plug, and then you're just going to kind of push it down so it's down over the loop, and then you're just going to slide the cover up. So make sure that the little horseshoe shaped hook goes dead center and covers the wire. It can sit off, so you just push it down as far as it can go, and then you can slide the cover up. Then just turn it on, make sure it functions, the auto button, and then reprogram your garage door remote. You're good to go. Wow. So this mirror, if you can see my reflection, yeah, I mean, you couldn't see my reflection, it'd be covered in a sea of bronze flakes before, but this is really good, and it was so cheap. If you can source one at a junkyard, I suggest you do it. The LKQ, which I don't like them, but they price gouge like crazy. But if you have those, they at least have databases. If your local junkyard has a database, use it, because then you can see what cars are there. And luckily, this isn't a heavily requested item like many others. Or you can use eBay. They're a little bit more expensive. But at your local junkyard, this should be in the range of $15, and it's a huge upgrade. It's definitely great for safety features, so seriously consider using it. But wow, it's a dramatic improvement. Once you get used to driving a car, especially the driver of this car, this is their car, they're going to be really shocked to see this. So anyhow, it's really good. So Good luck to you, and hopefully this video helped you. Take care. Subscribe.